In our childhood, we always told that speak the truth, don't tell a lie. সদা সত্য কথা বলিও, ঝুট বলে কৌয়া কাটে. In every language and in every religion, we are told to follow the trail of truth. It does not matter how much bumpy the road of truth is, but we always advised to follow the path of truth. But what is the science behind this? Welcome to its science. Before explaining this, let me tell you a story. Suppose a child is studying inside his or her room. Suddenly, she heard a sound, a knock-knock sound at the door. Soon she realized that her father has come. After a while, again, she heard the knock-knock sound. And then she heard that her father is calling her. When she went to her father's room, his father told her that if, after opening the door, she could find a specific person, then she needs to tell that person that her father is not at home because his father has borrowed some money from that person. The girl then went to the door. She opened the door and she found that person from whom her father has borrowed some money. She told that, "Uncle, my father is not at home now. Please come later." She and her father thought that they have outsmarted that person. But is it so? Every day, we at least tell lie to ourselves. Suppose we have got very poor marks in maths exam or maybe in science exam. We do not show our parents the copy. But when our parents keep on asking about the marks of our test exam, we simply tell them lie by saying that the copy is not given to us yet. This is the lie we tell to ourselves. This is called defense mechanism by the famous psychologist Sigmund Freud. This mechanism, these defenses we use every day to hide something or maybe just to please ourselves. In 1989, two psychologists named Perry and Cooper published a research in the Archive of General Psychology, where they have shown through the method of their research by using various human beings that using defense mechanism, that is telling lie to others and of course to ourselves, is basically do harm to our own because our brain is not ready to take the suppression of the truth. The lie we tell others is basically first a lie to ourselves. In Patanjali Yoga Sutra, which was thought to be written before 2500 years ago, it was also mentioned that in order to achieve a better life, we need to follow 8 steps. And the base of those stairs is the truth. According to PYS, that is Patanjali Yoga Sutra, if we cannot have a base which is strong enough, we can't reach the betterment in life. We can't reach the goal of our life, which is ultimate peace. And that basement, the first step of those series of stairs, is the truth. Thanks for your time.